Lesson 2 Test. Find a synonym for each bold word. Then fill in the circle next to your answer. Number 1. The company president was an arrogant person. Rich, prideful, C. Essential, D. Well-known. Number 2. Thoughtless people violate the beauty of the wilderness. A. Paint, B. Praise, C. Damage, D. Overlook. Number 3. Many cultures have ceremonies to celebrate birthdays. A. Rites, B. Holidays, C. Terms, D. Understandings. Number 4. The baseball team gave a triumphant shout. A. Excited, B. Joyful, C. Aggressive, D. Loud. Number 5. Integrate what you know with what you are learning. A. Compare, B. Combine, C. Analyze, or D. Contrast. Number 6. The police detained the suspect. A. Questioned, B. Identified, C. Pursued, or D. Held. Find an antonym for each bold word. Then fill in the circle next to your answer. Number 7. They are vacating their apartment. A. Decorating, B. Leaving, C. Occupying, D. Selling. Number 8. Getting caught shoplifting was a degrading experience. A. Uplifting, B. Boring, C. Forgettable, D. Hilarious. Number 9. Becoming an artist was a supreme goal of his life. A. Previous, B. Minor, C. Temporary, D. Unexamined. Number 10. Chelsea violated her promise. A. Broke, B. Inflicted, C. Suspended, D. Kept. Number 11. Camels seem to have a look of arrogance. A. Cheerfulness, B. Liveliness, C. Meekness, or D. Interest. Choose the best way to complete each sentence or answer each question. Then fill in the circle next to your answer. Number 12. The campaign for a new library is underway. Campaign describes A. The construction of the building, B. The design of the building, C. The election of the director of the library, D. Planned efforts to get a new library. Number 13. Half of the class boycotted the event. This means that they A. Helped put on the event, B. Ridiculed the event, C. Refused to attend the event, or D. Attended the event. Number 14. The speaker extended her hand to the company president after the speech. This means that she A. Held out her hand, B. Took back her hand, C. Hid her hand, or D. Looked at her hand. Number 15. Who might wear an expression of triumph? A. The winner of a spelling bee, B. A diner in a restaurant, C. A criminal being sent to jail, D. Someone in an earthquake. Number 16. To have custody of someone is to A. Send that person gifts, B. Give part-time care to that person, C. Act as that person's guardian, or D. Be related to that person. Number 17. Farragut led the campaign to seize New Orleans. This means that he A. Was trying to capture the most votes, B. Headed the military moves to capture the city, C. Was in charge of the plan to replace its mayor, D. Marched at the head of angry mob. Number 18. To extend human life would be to A. Study it thoroughly, B. Value it highly, C. Understand it well, D. Make it longer. Number 19. When can you expect a legal verdict? A, when you apply for a driver's license. B, when you run a red light. C, when you reach the end of a trial. D, when you receive a speeding ticket. Number 20. A violation of your civil rights is A, an explanation of the rights you have. B, an action that denies you your legal rights. C, a questioning of your rights. D, a temporary limitation of your rights. Number 21. When Octavian returned to Rome in triumph, he had just A, had a long rest on his country estate. B, come to ask for more money. C, conquered Rome's enemies. D, bought a new chariot. Number 22. The male lions had to be segregated so they did not fight. Segregated means A, fed often. B, drugged. C, kept apart. D, carefully introduced to one another. Number 23. The supreme representative of the American people is A, the average family. B, a court justice. C, a state senator. D, the President of the United States. Number 24. Who is most likely to take someone into custody? A, a nurse. B, the manager of a bank. C, a police officer. D, a teacher. Number 25. Joshua's aunt is campaigning for state senator. This means that she, A, is in the state senate. B, is running for the office of state senator. C, is employed by a state senator. D, is writing speeches for a state senator. 26. Stephanie degraded herself by cheating on her math test. Degraded means A, relieved. B, disgraced. C, upset. D, exasperated. Number 27. Nathan suggested a boycott of non-union stores. In this case, a boycott is A, a group decision to stop dealing with those stores. B, a conference with the store managers. C, a plan to identify these stores. D, a plan to show support of these stores. Number 28. Spain's rule extended far to the north. Extended means A, enlarged. B, strengthened. C, weakened. Or D, stretched. 29. To give your verdict on something is to A, give your word of honor. B, state your opinion of it. C, give a careful description of it. D, commit yourself to doing it. Number 30. Integration is the process of A, thinking about new ideas. B, looking into something. C, uniting different elements into a whole. D, dividing something into parts. 31. To triumph over bad habits is to A, worry about them. B, win an argument about them. C, attempt to break them. D, overcome them. 32. What is an example of segregation? A, putting students of different races in different schools. B, holding protest marches. C, making laws that defy the United States Constitution. D, putting students of different races in the same school. Number 33. To extend an invitation to your neighbors is to A, withdraw it. B, carry it. C, offer it. Or D, forward it.